Low testosterone equals fatigue, loss of energy, and muscle. But don't worry, in this Nutrition Life video, I'm going to tell you 10 powerful and scientific ways to increase testosterone. Intermittent fasting, detoxification and growth hormone boost. Magnesium increases free testosterone. Zinc, essential for testosterone production. Ashwagandha reduces stress and increases testosterone. Weightlifting, natural testosterone boost. Healthy liver, detoxification for better testosterone production. Iodine to hormone balancer. Vitamin D, essential for testosterone production. Cordyceps, energy-boosting and testosterone-boosting mushroom. Mucuna, reduces prolactin and increases testosterone. And some golden tips. Quality sleep, healthy fats, and avoiding stress will boost your testosterone. If you found this video helpful, like it and subscribe to Nutrition Life for more content.